Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you guys how to buy any cryptocurrency you want to buy on Binance. So real quick, come to your apps and type Binance. So this is the Binance app. In case you don't know how to create an account with Binance, I'll cover it on my channel, so stay tuned to my channel to watch that. Now put your fingerprint. So I have an account on Binance already. So after logging into your account or the mobile app on Binance, just simply click on trade. So this is the trade platform. So scroll to P2P, that's peer-to-peer transaction. Click on peer-to-peer. You see the different cryptocurrency like USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNE. They have a whole lot of cryptocurrency here. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to buy USDT. So this is USDT, and you can choose between the amount or the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You can put, like, let me say 50,000 naira here, or you can put the cryptocurrency equivalent. So come here and switch to buy crypto in USDT. I want to buy 50 USDT, so this is 50 USDT. So click on buy with zero fee. So as you can see how much you have to pay in naira for those of you guys in Nigeria. Okay, from here you can see the amount you have to pay to receive the USDT. That's the 50 USDT. You have to pay 28,297.50 kobo. That's how much you have to pay in naira. For those of you guys living in Nigeria and listen to the sound of my voice, this is how much you have to pay to receive 50 USDT. As of the day I'm recording this video, you know the currency rate changes from time to time, right? So after that, so click on purchase payment. So once you click on purchase payment, you see pending payment, and you see the Binance is holding seller's crypto. So now Binance is a new platform. You are not the one, as someone that wants to buy a cryptocurrency, like for this example, I want to buy a USDT. I'm not the one that is going to choose. I'm not the one that is going to choose the buyer or someone that is going to pay for the USDT. Now Binance is going to automatically select a user that is going to pay for the 50 USDT on their platform. Someone that has been on the platform for a very long time and have done a lot of positive trades, and also is a verified account. Verified the account using a government issued ID card, not just a random trader. So no more you choosing a trader that is going to pay you USDT or pay you cryptocurrency. Binance will automatically select someone that is legit on their platform to actually pay the USDT. So that's the new update. So here you can see the Binance is holding your seller's crypto in the escrow account. So the person that Binance have picked has already submitted their cryptocurrency, that's 50 USDT in this case, under the escrow platform on Binance. So as you can see, Binance have 24/7 support system, so there's no need for you to be scared. Binance is the #1 legit site to buy or sell your cryptocurrency now, and also transfer your cryptocurrency. So this is USDT. So this is the amount I'm going to be paying, as you can see. So this is the price fee. As you can see, this is the order number and the payment method. So once I want to pay, what I will click is on the payment page. So click on to payment page. Once you click on it, you see this app, your own bank. You see the bank details that you are going to send the amount to. So I encourage you guys to screenshot this payment page. Once you screenshot it, log into your mobile app and pay the transaction to the account, and also screenshot the receipt of the account, the money you just transferred to the person, right? Just for future or in case of any purposes, right? Just to be safe out there. Once you screenshot it, then you click on transfer and notify seller. So trust me, within 15 minutes or less, your USDT 50 USDT will arrive in your account. So real quick now, I will screenshot this, which I've already done. Okay guys, as you can see, they have a time remaining. Is 6 minutes 19 seconds. It's ticking down, so make sure you transfer the money within that time frame. If you look at the top, you can see time remaining. Make sure you transfer your fund within that time frame. I repeat it again. So once you have done that, click on transfer and notify seller. Like, I've logged into my mobile app and I've transferred the money, like 28,350 naira and 0.0 kobo, right? So I've transferred the money successfully. So after you have done that, and screenshot the receipt in case of any emergency or any appeal from the seller or buyer from the cryptocurrency, the one that wants to sell the cryptocurrency to you, as this case 50 USDT. just screenshot the receipt just in case of emergency. So after that, click on transfer and notify seller once you have done the transfer within the time frame. So after that, you can see releasing the fund. Now they are releasing this fund and are giving the person 49 minutes 38 seconds. That's what I'm giving the person to release the funds. But with my experience with this, within 15 minutes you get your cryptocurrency, as easy as that. So it's simple as that. So I'll just wait for the seller that wants to sell the USDT to me to release the cryptocurrency from the escrow, that's the Binance escrow, to be available in my balance. And once that is done, I'll notify you guys. So that's how to go about it.